Hi there, welcome back to Find a Pick. Today we're going to tackle this Viro. It's a 50mm brass. According to this, it's supposed to be a 6-pinner. I don't know, we'll have a look and see. It's got an 8mm shackle. It doesn't say hardened steel on it, so I have no idea. It's got a fairly pleasing keyway. I don't have the key. The story behind this, it was left on my cousin's trailer and he couldn't find the key, so he just bought another lock, and so when he came down here on holiday, Cape Town, I took it off for him. So we're going to see if we can pick it. I raked it off his trailer. Let's see if we can pick it, and if not, we'll rake it again. At least we get it open before he takes it back up to Johannesburg and I don't see it again. So stay tuned, we'll tackle this shortly. Okay, welcome back. So let's have a look and see. It shows a 6-pinner by those over there. And let's see what we can. We'll try this short hook, rounded short hook, and let's have a feel. Okay, well that ain't working. Then let's pick off this ledge here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I got a 5. There might be 6 there, but I only count 5. Okay, so it's a 5-pinner Viro, quality and strength. Let's see how much quality and strength we have here. Let's grab us a. Forgive me, I'm still coughing after all this time. One refuses to go to the doctor, so one refuses to get better. Alright, let's see if we can pick this puppy open. Try it back. As you can see, it's an old Viro, and it sits on the trailer, so it's not in the best of shape. Doesn't stick. Not nice and smooth. The lock's being used inside, lock's being used outside. There we go. Okay, that was just plain old easy. Quality, yeah, quality not. Alright, that opened just like my Fort Knox. Okay, well that was pretty easy. Sorry, I thought we'd stick a little on it. I seem to be getting a little bit better, and I'm happily surprised it opened. I could only rake it early on to get it off his trailer, but there you go. Stocklock Sunday sorted. Viro, here we come. Alright, thanks for staying, thanks for watching. Have a good one, stay safe.